Home Remedies presents. Wrap your feet with this leaf and see what happens after 1 hour. Mullein is an easy to recognize medicinal plant with big fuzzy leaves and a tall flower spike with little yellow flowers. We will share how to identify and use this gentle giant safely and effectively. Mullein is native to Europe, North Africa and Asia, but it is now found on every continent except Antarctica. Mullein leaves have been used as field dressings, bandages having antibacterial properties. Nowadays, modern alternatives are available, but you can always go natural. Native Americans used leaf poultices for many different ailments, including sprains, bruises, and abscesses. Let's see how to do it. For a simple poultice, place several leaves in a dish and cover them with boiling water. Allow them to cool enough to handle. Then place on the affected area. You can wrap the leaf like a bandage and fasten with tape to keep it in place and cover with a hot water bottle to keep it warm. Let it stay for 1 hour. This is because it has antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties. This means that along with providing a soft, gentle barrier, the leaves of the mullein plant can help fight off infection in wounds. The pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties of this plant make it ideal for helping broken bones and sprains and strains to be less painful. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.